how to remove YouTube profile picture on mobile, or delete YouTube profile icon. Now, if we navigate through the official application of YouTube on our mobile devices, unfortunately, there is no way on how you can remove your profile picture. If I go ahead and click on it, it will then prompt us with additional or two options right here, which is to take a photo or choose from your photos. Now, we have an alternative to do this. You simply want to head over to your browser right here, and once inside, you want to go ahead and search for YouTube Studios. Right after searching for YouTube Studios, it will then take us to our YouTube channel page right here. Once inside, you simply want to go ahead and zoom in, and at the corner of our web page, you can then go ahead and see your YouTube channel icon. Just go ahead and click on it, click on your channel, and it will then take us to this page right here. Once inside, you simply want to click on customize channel. And if we go ahead and zoom in once more, we can then go ahead and see our profile icon. In here, we have the ability to change our profile icon or remove it. Just go ahead and click on remove, click on publish, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.